If you're thinking about opening an account with XM in 2026, stop for a moment and ask yourself one important question. Is XM still one of the best Forex brokers available today? Or are there now better alternatives for your trading style? The truth is, choosing the wrong broker can cost you far more than just high spreads. Execution speed, withdrawal reliability, regulation, and overall trading conditions can make a huge difference to your long-term results. So in this video, we'll take a practical look at XM by covering the factors that matter most: regulation and safety, trading costs, trading platforms, deposits, and withdrawals, and finally, who XM is really designed for. By the end of this review, you'll know whether XM deserves a place on your shortlist in 2026. Let's begin with the most important factor of all: trust and regulation. XM has been operating since 2009 and has built a strong reputation over the years, serving millions of traders across more than 190 countries. One reason for its popularity is that the broker is regulated by multiple financial authorities across different jurisdictions. This gives traders an additional level of confidence compared to brokers operating with little or no regulatory oversight. However, here's something many beginners overlook. The level of protection you receive depends on the legal entity under which your account is registered. Different countries are served by different XM entities, meaning the regulations and investor protections may vary. Before making your first deposit, it's always worth checking exactly which regulated company your account belongs to. Now let's talk about trading costs, because this is where many traders make expensive mistakes. A lot of beginners compare brokers by looking only at spreads, but experienced traders know that's only part of the picture. Your real trading cost includes spreads, commissions if applicable, execution quality, slippage, and overnight swap fees for positions held beyond a trading day. XM offers several account types designed for different trading styles. Whether you're a beginner looking for simplicity or a more experienced trader who wants tighter pricing, there are options to choose from. While XM remains competitive overall, active traders should always compare the total cost of trading, rather than focusing on a single advertised spread. Even small differences can add up significantly after hundreds of trades. Next, let's look at the trading platforms. XM continues to support both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, two of the most trusted and widely used platforms in the Forex industry. These platforms provide advanced charting tools, dozens of technical indicators, one-click trading, automated trading through expert advisors, and mobile apps that let you manage positions from virtually anywhere. For most retail traders, MT4 and MT5 offer everything needed for day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. The platforms are stable, easy to learn, and supported by a massive online community with thousands of custom indicators and trading tools. Another area that deserves attention is deposits and withdrawals. XM supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, and several popular electronic payment systems, depending on your country of residence. Many traders report smooth withdrawal experiences, which is always a positive sign when evaluating any broker. That said, there's one simple step that can save you a lot of frustration later. Complete your account verification as soon as you register. Delays in submitting identification documents are one of the most common reasons withdrawals take longer than expected. Verifying your account early helps ensure a smoother experience when you decide to withdraw profits. So, who is XM actually best suited for? If you're new to Forex trading, XM remains one of the strongest choices in the market. The low minimum deposit, user-friendly platforms, educational resources, webinars, and responsive customer support make it particularly attractive for beginners who want to learn while trading with a well-established broker. On the other hand, if you're an experienced trader who relies on ultra-low spreads, institutional-style execution, or high-frequency scalping strategies, it may be worth comparing XM with brokers that specialize in raw spread or ECN-style accounts before making your final decision. Overall, XM continues to be one of the most reliable Forex brokers available in 2026. It combines solid regulation, multiple account options, dependable trading platforms, and excellent educational support into a package that appeals to a wide range of traders. But remember, the best broker isn't necessarily the one with the biggest advertising budget or the most attractive promotions. The best broker is the one that matches your trading strategy, your experience level, and your long-term goals. Before opening any trading account, take the time to compare several brokers, understand your own trading needs, and avoid making decisions based solely on bonuses or marketing campaigns. Consistency in trading starts with choosing the right broker and following a disciplined trading plan. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more unbiased broker reviews, platform comparisons, and practical Forex guides. And now I'd like to hear from you. Have you traded with XM before, or are you considering opening an account? Share your experience or questions in the comments below. Your insights might help another trader make a better decision.